DJT Stock Thursday, is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Trump Media and Technology stock, we're sitting at $24.03, 0.4% down for the day. And if I go and check it out like from a weekly chart, this is 11 week, my bad. If I look at the DJT, like I'm kind of disappointed by it. It's not like I'm like crying and stuff. Like the way that this market would have been like a buy for me was if I saw a clean double break from here onward, but in reality we just kind of kept going down. Honestly speaking, now with DJT, I would personally only be bullish in this market if I see daily breaks above 29 to 30-ish dollars. But we're sitting at 23, so like it's really just me waiting, because that's the range, you know. And is this going to be kind of a big wait, you know, before I buy? For sure. You know, I'm not going to sit here and be in a rush, so I'll be definitely patient, follow other ticker symbols, and I'm not going to try and double down on the bearish side, which could be something that you could do from a day swing trade perspective, but personally me, I wouldn't do it. So if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, just check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5s, and I'll see you in the next one.